Are you worried that someone else may have access to your TikTok account? You want to go in and change the password. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and we're going to go over to TikTok and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your password. This could be because you've used someone else's mobile to post a TikTok, you've logged in, and you're a little leery as to whether or not you logged out, whether or not they might be able to get into your account, and Lord knows you don't want that. Now, this is going to be if you still have your password and can log in. If you don't have your password, that's a little different. But for right now, if you have your password, you can log in. You just want to change it, we're going to head over to TikTok and get that done for you. Okay, so here we are when we just open our TikTok. We're going to go to the lower right-hand corner and click the Me button. Once you get there, you're going to go to the upper right where you see 3 dots and click that open. Now we're going to go to the first line that says Manage My Account. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to see your information. You'll also see password. Click on that. Now you can type in your current password, and then you're going to type in your new password, retype the new password again, and click the little check mark down in the lower right. It'll show you red. That means it's finished. There you go. Now you can feel secure that one of your friends or not so friends isn't posting something to your TikTok that you don't want on there. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to have more social media tips for Facebook, TikTok, you name it. We're going to get you taken care of.